Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet pie. What's your fog today, Mama?
Okay, go. Give me that. Give me the one with spoon. Come here na, oh. You slice the pig. Okay, later na.
Later. You slice that. I will assist you.
Be?
Okay, go.
Wow. Try it. Yummy. Okay. Be, try, Be. Try. Oh, try na the skin. Oh, try.
Oh no!
Eh, pinakain mo abi ng ano, ang balat lang. Ang slice mo. Yummy. Hindi siya manul.
Didin! Siyang pulbo to.
Dari ano pinggan, ako lang mabuhay ka nanay.
Kutsara tanga ako.
Makon, kapitan na po yan.
Okay, again. There's more.
Close your eyes.
Where's me? Oh, close eyes again. Oh, close again. Close again.
Dani, daywa ang parehong color, pero isa manami, isa hindi. Okay. Nabala yung tamay natin. Pero color to white. Or white, either dirty dish water, or birthday cake. Oh my God, pero kaya nung kada yun? Birthday dish water or birthday cake. Ano ba? Hi. Okay, toothpaste. Okay lang.
Pakita na on. Ibalidin mo na.
Toothpaste. Kulay ka, kulay. Ano? Opo, mekanik.
Dead fish or strawberry?
Oh no! Either malain or manamis. Oo. Ang pwede makaon. Baba mo? Ay, madadalas na baba mo?
Ay, baka makakagaling ka kaling ka rin nyo. Pagkain nyo. Makon, mahilo, di ako na ito nga lang.
Ay, marami, malain.
Di lang, ay ka panambor pa ako.
Oh, bakit? Ay, marami ko naman ikaw.
Atsak cake yun man siya. Itong last time kung sa kwan. Atsak moist pa to.
Aquarium. Make an aquarium. Okay? In your iPad after you're done.
Maligo kayo?
Remember.
Ang?
Mabuder na ako wala mga paligo.
Okay, butahin to sa inyong ref at tapos balik ko riyan magkao.
Ha! No way. That's good. Whoa!
What is it? Wow!
Small crab. Crablets.
It might ano ha? Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
So,
I have to say bye-bye to say goodbye to you. You have to get cooked. I don't want you to get cooked.
but it will die kasi it doesn't have claws na, and ano, it's a long time already that it's been out of the seawater, so it will die. I'm gonna put it back there.
Some water.
Oh, get them some water there.
No, take a video. So first get the cup. Okay.
Oh, go.
Just put a lot. Put a lot.
Look
More.
what happened.
Look at what? Look what's going on. What's going on?
That's the instant snow. There. Look, share to Ate Tarin. Mix, Ate Tarin. Mix. Share man some space na. Oh, there. That's the snow.
Wait. Do you know what you call this? This is what you call polymer. And where can you exactly find this?
Huh?
Where can you exactly find polymer?
Oh.
Tatay!
Come here, please. I'll show you
I'll
something.
show you something.
What's that?
What's that?
Snow.
Snow. It's ball.
Is it cold, Mickey?
No.
Ah, no,
Go touch it.
that is not ice. It is not.
Doa, nag-imat sa diaper.
Oo. Ay. Good job. Asim, kilig. Asim, kilig. Babe, can you show me what is that? What? You like it?
Yeah.
How about the trash? Where are you going to put it? Throw it in the garbage. How about you, Dang? Yan. Whoa! More. Again. Hello, Lolo ko yun. Say hello, Lolo. Sis, that's Lolo, oh.
Hi.
Lola.
Lolo and Dada.
Gigi.
Ninja fish? Right.
I want to put them in the big one.
For you, tatay. O, Tita Jinjin na lang. Tita Jinjin. Tita Jinjin, oh. Ano ba? dito kami sa Rojas. Bye-bye. Yung People's Park. Bahay nila. Korea Sanchez. Pili muna ako ng mangga. Ayan. Sarap.
Where's the crab?
They walk sideways. Oh!
Oh no! It's too far now. Oh, where is it? It's gone. Look for another crab.
Look at this shell.
Yeah. Let me see the shell.
Why is it stretched?
Let me see the shell.
Why is it stretched out?
I don't know.
Wow. Oh, that's the same big shell.
Yeah.
Oh! Right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Where's the crab? Oh, there's the crab.
I get some sand and then trap it. Drop!
Ah.
A jellyfish! That is a crab. That is a crab. Squid.
For whom this one? Give Tita Malay.
Oh, thank you.
Yung kiss and hug. Oh, taas Tita Mulay niya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na, Tita Malay. Umbaw.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Bye, Tita Sai Sai.
No, I'm Tita Jinjin.
Bye, Tita Sai Sai. Bye, Iloilo.
Bye Kapis. Bye Hamindan.
Bye.
Bye Nanay. Bye Tatay. Say it.
Bye, Nanay. Bye, Tatay.
You're gonna miss us?
Yeah.
Then you
Bye,
call.
bye, Tita Rin. Bye, Kuya Sean.
Then you call us when you're in Germany already. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Rojas, bye-bye. People's Park. Saan yung bahay ni, ano?
Marwas.
Ito?
Joho.
Mudi?
Of course you will be
Rojas Airport.
It's already.
Wag itawo.
This is a new airport.
A small
This is
airport.
Rojas Airport.
This is an old airport.
Papa, I like this one.
5 minutes nga.
Papa, I like this airport.
Loading.
Kaya,
Do you know why?
Why?
It's called sea.
See?
see? Yeah.
How red is
Oh, yeah, purple. You will miss Tita Jinjin. Smile mo na, be. Smile.
Please come.
Smile. How about nanay yung tatay? Hindi daw siya, oh. Pero tigil love niya kay Tita Jing.
Hold them there the whole time.
Ang ba?
Then we're gonna...
Ang ba? Eh, we will go inside na.
When you back in Germany, you call us, huh? Yes? You video call us.
Yeah, of course.
Calling is boring.
Huh? What?
Video calling is boring.
Why?
You can still see them and talk to them.
We will speak in English. No problem.
Bye-bye, Jen. Halong ka mo, Jen. Oo. Hindi ba? 1, 2, 3. Maybe na siya. Why do you want to cry? Dali na. You just them na. Dali na. I can't carry you. You walk lang. Iyak siya. You walk lang. Bye-bye. Sige, Nay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tatay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yummy. Look at that, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming.
We check at the Cebu Pacific check-in counter now immediately.
Don't step on the water. Ay, Ross. Wala na naman kaming katabi. Ito kasi si Papa, oh. Busy.
And Silvestre. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour.
Miggy. Papa, yun na.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew.
Naroas, oh. Bye-bye ka, please. It's okay. We're coming here.
Are we going to see somebody when we're back in Manila?
Yeah, we'll see your Ninang Suset and their 2 children. You met them before but you were still small. Ate Babu and Ate Sky. Sky, another Sky, like Sky of Tita Shane's. Want to sleep?
Then I have my favorite, my 2 favorites, 2 other favorites, and this.
Only one. Only one.
Or just 3.
Only one because it's fast lang, 1 hour.
Only 2.
Only one we can buy. We can buy those.
This.
We can buy those in Manila.
No, both of this. I like this and this.
This one na lang we can buy this in Manila.
No.
Yummy. Yummy. Tissue. Do you want to bring like that in Germany will buy Manila.
Passenger briefing, cars, Cebu Pacific, taxi takeoff and landing,
Your cabin crew will now collect
switch off
items for
voice,
disposal.
silent
Your seat
mode,
pockets
no voice, cars,
electronic devices must be switched
belt,
off.
identify,
Fasten,
fasten,
tight.
unfasten, in case of
This one, what's this? Tighten.
fasten, unfasten, in case of decompression, oxygen mask will drop automatically as life vest under seat, inflate at exit your own mask before helping others, inflate at exit, brace for impact, pregnant adult with infant, emergency exit, do not open exit in case of fire, debris, structure, or submerged in water. Forward door exit, window exit, rear door exit, fire smoke, use clothing to cover nose and mouth, stay low, follow the escape path lights, leading exits. No, do not remove from aircraft.
Read this again, Bill. This one.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're glad that you're here with us on today's flight to Manila. We have now come to the most exciting part of every Cebu Pacific flight, which is the fun day. Before we proceed, we want to give the first prize to the guests who can show us the Go Rewards app on Instagram for launch. We have a hand at the back. Remember that rewarding experiences keep going with Go Rewards. Cash-tied deals from a variety of retail, airline, and lifestyle partners. Download now for free on Apple, Google, or Huawei App Store. Since this is the month of love, we will provide clues for our first film. This film is about a couple who met on a cruise ship. It stars Leonardo DiCaprio as Jack and Kate Winslet as Rose.
Ay, Papa won.
At the back.
Papa, you want what?
You can put your...
This film is about a beautiful girl named Belle who eventually fell in love with a beast. We have a good hand in front. Congratulations to correct answers, Beauty and the Beast. Thank you everyone for participating and enjoy the rest of the flight.
Hey, Papa won the game. You can put your ball pen here, or your money, or your cell phone, a pouch. Yeah, anything you can put.
Okay, can you get my cell phone?
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you to let us present from the closest of your pressing out passengers and change for good to be.
Oh, it's di kasya. Oo nga. Di kasya. Ito na lang. Your snacks na lang. Snacks na lang. Di kasya po. Di kasya din. Oh, kasya. There. Close it. Yay. Good job, Papa.
They're made of raindrops and ice crystals. Going down. We're under the clouds. I would like this.
Why? Oh my god. Oh. So fast.
Another skyscraper city up ahead. Oh my goodness, we're going to the skyscrapers. People that are literally under the airplane will be shocked when they're looking outside the window. Where do you? This is the nearest lake from this airport. That was the nearest lake from this. Rahila.
Sit down properly.
Just landed.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for that scary flight. Okay, we're slow. We're slow now. We're
Hello
slow.
everyone, Cebu Pacific
Dude,
welcomes
look
you
at that.
in Yakina International Airport.
Cebu
We are now
Pacific.
taxiing towards Naiya Terminal 3 for your proper parking.
That's
and
the
safety
Cebu
departure.
Pacific
For
place.
your safe and comfort, please remain seated. Cabin.
We're going to sit right now.
Nice.
Oh, Miguel ako! Oh, go na, go.
Video calling in Messenger is called John Wiggum. That's what I wouldn't know that his name is Isabel.
Isabel, yeah. Nice meeting you, Isabel. Bye. Put down your clothes. Carabayan Hotel. Carabayan Hotel. Sa Pasay. Miggy! Ang cute. Ay! Ano ba? Ito, oh. Papakasyon. Barong.
Native ang mga...
Left side, pagbaba ng elevator. Ayos na rin siya, no? Dito si Auntie Annie Palmi naka-check-in ever since. Oh, laki-laki. Bakit mo na kwarto to? Ang dami. Oh, meron siyang planchahan. 509. Hey! Oh, there's a small bed for Miggy. And may cabinet siya dito. Safety box. And my bathroom. Wow. Okay na din. Kabayan Hotel. Oh. Wala tayong view. There. Piggy. This is our home for 5 days and 4 nights. Aming gamit. I love Moa. Kami sa Moa. This is a big heart balloon. Kain muna kami. It's Chinese New Year. Wow! You can make a wish. Proceeds from the coins you drop will go to the smile. Look at those bunnies. Nakakamiss yung ganitong itsura ng mall. Sa Germany hindi ganito. Order na. Be, smile.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby.
Bye, baby.